Just sliding down the leg side.
Jesus.
Shot. Oh, what a wonderful shot that is. Excellent. Excellent. Excellent length. Lovely. Straight up in the air. Taken. Oh, it was up for a really long time. Oh, straight up, straight up. Muhammad Ali.
Oh, very close.
You can't say there's nothing behind the leg. Come
Whoa,
on.
was just
Come
gonna say,
on.
Pommy, I am hoping.
Excellent bowling. Bowling! There he is. Now he has him for sure. Struck it well enough, and it's gone for 6.
Ollie Stone gets the ball to nip back in. Because so far it's been difficult. A shot into the pitch, and that tries leg side in the air. It's gone down to third, and it's gone over the top. Maximum into the legs, and he's hit that in the air, and it's gone really high. Does it have the distance? No, it doesn't, and it's dropped.
Don't keep your hands in a low position like this.
Oh, straight through. Kushtil Shah is very experienced.
Yeah, into the pitch, it's been good. Right leg side again, it's in the air. Kushtil Shah with a chance again. Settles, drops it again. What's going on?
I've seen that before.
Hits it down the ground. That's the one shot that has gone properly out of the middle. Oh, cracked away.
He's hit that up in the air high. It's gone over the top of Rizwan, and it's safe. Rizwan's doing the chasing, bit of fancy footwork. 2 bits of fancy footwork, saves the boundary. Oh, he's crunched that one. That's a wonderful shot. That's gone a long way. That is right out of the middle. Oh, that's pretty adjacent. Yeah, up goes that finger.
Flat line, gap between bat and ball. Original decision out. Pitching in line, impact in line. Wickets hitting. Make a signal, please.
The decision stands.
Thank you.
Golfer. My favorite golfer is Tiger Woods.
Well, it's difficult getting past him with the accolades he has.
Nothing short given away.
Crack! That's gone. Good luck catching that one. Oh, this time he's gone up in the air. Cries of catch it. Who wants this one? Yeah, that's taken safely.
Goes a long way into the night sky. And what he's trying to do, first of all, is make sure that he gets under it. Once he does, look at that, catching it above the eyes, reverse cup style, to just make sure. Azam Khan gone for 13.
Can't help you, I'm afraid, Secunda. Oh, that's close to the stumps. It's on the stumps. And it's another wicket. And Mudwazim's got to go.
Bounce and roll backwards and could do absolutely nothing about it. He's just out of reach of it. He can't reach it.
Couldn't reach it, you're right. It's carved away, brings that sweep into play. They should be able to pick up a boundary, they do.
Oh, that's a big shot. All the way for 6.
And they are more fluent, as is Salman Agha right now showing.
HBL PSL. Didn't get all of it, but got a good chunk, and it's gone for 4. Oh, and he thinks he's looking around for a waste time. I think it probably was.